We are fixing to make us some homemade bread in the Dutch oven out on the campfire. Let's get after it. Alright, let me show you what we got here before we get going. Got the coals on the bottom, bread's in there, put some on the top. We're going to let that cook for a little bit, and then we're going to stir up some chili. Alright, we got the old Martin out. This is a good Dutch oven. We're going to brown this meat and these onions, sweat them down some. We'll come back and put our stuff in here for our chili. We're going to use them beans that you had the other day. We're going to use them in our chili tonight, so that way we ain't wasting nothing. I need to get back to learning not to waste again. I guess if anything, all this has taught me anything, it's that. Okay guys, we got this hamburger meat sweated down, these onions sweated down. We're in real good shape there. We're going to come in here. We're not going to add a full package of this. We're going to add about half of this chili seasoning. In there. We'll save the rest of that. Got some tomato sauce we're going to put in there now. Man, I wish y'all could smell that, because I can smell that yeast bread over there cooking. It isn't good yummy. If y'all get tired of me cooking, just say something. I'll quit cooking. Alright, we got that in there. This is going to be a little small batch. We'll put a few of them in there. Some hatch chilies. This is not going to take very long to cook either. That ought to be about right. Mama will want more. And then we got leftover beans. The ones that we cooked out on here the other day. That's all we got left, and I told Beck, I said, we're gonna use them up. So these is double, you might say these is double cooked beans. You ever had a double baked potato or twice baked potato they call it? Well, these here is double cooked beans. I'm gonna raise this up. You can look in there and see what we got. I'm going to raise this chain up a little bit. Better taste that, hadn't I? I think it needs just a hair more chili seasoning. Whew, wind switched around. That's what happens when you use something plastic out here on this cast iron in this heat. That's going to be some thick, hearty chili right there. Let me, get away there, Smokey. You better not. Raise this chain up a little. Say, let's go one up. That's a little better. And let's put our lid back on there. I think we probably ought to check that bread. What do y'all think? Let's check it. I'll take you over. Oh, looky there. Just exactly what we want to see. Well, we got it cooking. Probably gonna eat. I don't know if I'll show you the finished product. I'll probably show you the bread after I eat some of it. It's Sunday afternoon today, and boy, I really miss church today. You know, I guess they say absence makes the heart grow fonder. When you really love something and you miss it, it hurts you. And boy, I've heard this thing of staying home from church and everything is, I don't miss the world too much, but the church, I love those people down there, man. I'm telling you, I sure miss them. So I think we're gonna have what they call drive-in church next Sunday morning. I've just picked up all the stuff today, this afternoon. I've spent the afternoon doing that. Spent all the afternoon gathering this stuff up. And a friend of mine, Joe, up here, church up here, he used that equipment this morning and it worked like a charm. He had 60 cars in his parking lot and they turned it on the radio. We're gonna do it next week. Hey, thank y'all for watching. I might show you the bread at the end. Subscribe to my channel, like this video if you would, and share it if you want to. Thanks for watching. Bread's cooking. Chili's going. Hope everybody's having a good day. Well, here she is, finished product. Bottom could have browned maybe a little bit more, but it's okay. There's bread, cooked outside in the Dutch oven. Hey, thank y'all for watching. See you next time.